Welcome, my student, in a digital learning class of mathematics. As you all know, we are in chapter number 8, that is related to triangle and its properties. So today I am going to tell you about the second property of triangle, that is angle sum property of a triangle. In angle sum property of a triangle, we are talking about sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So this application we are going to use in chapter number 8, worksheet number 2. So let's take the first question. It is in a triangle ABC. Angle A is 44 degree if AB is equals to BC. Find the angle B and C. So my dear student, this is very important line. AB is equals to BC. You can see here A to B is this line and A to C is this line. So these both are equal. If they are equal, then how I can correlate this? This is very important to understand. Here just see, if in a triangle ABC, angle A is given 44 degree. AB is already given to AC. So in any triangle, when two sides are equal, so triangle is known as isosceles triangle. And isosceles triangle, you know, the angle opposite to the equal sides are equal. So angle C and angle B, they must be equal to one another. That is why the definition of isosceles triangle. After this, by using the angle sum property, as I told you, angle sum property is very important here. It is the sum of three angles, like angle A plus angle B plus angle C. It must be equals to 180 degree. So now angle AB already knowing, that is 44. Substitute 44. Angle B plus C is equals to 180 degree. But one more thing is given in the question. You can see angle B is equals to angle C. So from here it is very clear. Angle B and C is equal. So substitute, instead of C, write B. So 2 times B we can write, both are equal. 44 we can shift to this side. So we are going to subtract 180 minus 44, that is 136. And after this 2 is here. We need to shift it to denominator and divide, you will find 68. 2 1 is 2, 2 6 is 12, and then 16, 2 8 is 16. In this way you can easily calculate this all. Thereafter we have second thing. If angle B is 68, definitely angle C is 68. It is given in the question. In an isosceles triangle, two angles are equal, which are opposite to the equal sides. So similarly, we will take question number 2. I hope question number 1 is clear to you. Let me clear you more about these type of questions in detail. So let's see now again. As I told you, here we have question number 2. In a triangle PQR is isosceles triangle with PQ is equals to PR. That means P to Q side is equals to P to Q. PQ is equals to PR. This is clear. And angle R is already given. That is 42 degree. From here, my dear student, it is very clear that if angle R is 42, so definitely angle Q is equal, because it is also a isosceles triangle, and by definition if two sides are equal, so angle made with their base is also equal. So by this you can understand easily. So let's see how to make it clear. Now use your property. It is given in the question. Angle R is 42 degree. PQ is equals to PR. Then PQR is the isosceles triangle and R is equals to Q by using definition. It is also 42 degree, as I told you. Then use angle sum property of a triangle, that is angle P plus Q plus R, it must be equals to 180 degree. Now substitute the value of Q and R. Q is 42 as well as R is also 42. So 42 and 42 become 84. Now subtract 180 minus 84, you will get 96. Hence the value of P is 96 degree. So in this way you can solve these questions. One more question we'll take now, that is question number 3. So let us read the question first. If triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, AB is equals to AC. It is given side AB is equals to AC as well as angle B is 40 degrees. So what are the measure of angle A and C? Our task is to find out two other angles. So by reading question it is clear it is an isosceles triangle. So definitely two angles are same. So we need to find out which two are same. So from here let us write what is given in the question. In a triangle ABC, AB is equals to AC. So A to B is this side and A to C is this side. These two sides are equal. As well as if angle B is 40, I told you earlier also, the angle opposite to the parallel side, equal side are equal. So this is also going to be 40. By using the definition of isosceles triangle, that means B and C is equal. They are 40 degree. Now apply the definition of angle sum property, that is sum of three angles is equals to 180 degree. So angle A plus B plus C, it must be equals to 180 degree. After this, substitute the value of B and C. B is 40, C is also 40. 40 plus 40 become 80. Now shift this 80 toward your next side, or I can say right hand side. So subtract 180 minus 80, you will get 100. Now we have calculated the value of A and C. A is 100 degree, C is 40 degree. So I hope it is clear to you how to find out these answers. So after this, let's move toward next question. This is a vertically angle of an isosceles triangle is 100 degree. Find its base angles. So you can see from the diagram, it is an isosceles triangle. It is given in the question, as well as one angle is 100 degree. So definitely angle C and B is going to be same. From here it is very clear. So let's apply the definition again. So here we have triangle ABC where angle A is 100 degree and B and C is equal by the definition of isosceles triangle. Now use property, that is angle sum property. So angle A plus B plus C must be equals to 180, but it is written B and C is same. So we can write here 2 times B. So now shift this 100 toward next side, it become 180 minus 100, you will get 80. Then this 2 is going to be in denominator, then divide by 2, 42 is 80, you will find answer is equals to 40 degree. So in this way you can calculate here angle B and C both are 40 by using the definition of isosceles triangle. So I hope my dear student it is clear to you how to find out these questions. Thank you so much.